back to GIO'S, and today we're gonna be doing my. Alright, you go.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to GIO'S Wave, and today I have another exciting video for you all. I have my little brother Shavish joining me once again. He's gonna be showing you his curly hair routine. I'm gonna show him a couple of steps where he can make his hair just a tad bit better. Actually, I've never actually seen him do his own hair in my entire life, so he's gonna be showing me something. So yeah, I'm just gonna let him explain what he's gonna be using, and then yeah, he's just gonna go from there.
So what I'm gonna be using is coconut curl shampoo. And the orga oil, I can't read. Morocco shampoo conditioner.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be using Melting Moisture by Diva Curl. Yeah. And I actually went to that event with him in New York.
Straight facts. During Curl Fest, Diva Curl had a little event at their little Diva-chan shop, and he actually got to meet the entire Diva Curl team, which was really dope. So. How you just gonna be on your phone through the video?
Don't text me.
Anyways, like you said, he's gonna be using both OGX products, then he's gonna go ahead and do the Melting Moisture, deep condition, and then we're gonna go from there. We're gonna do all that off camera, so then when he does his styling products, we're gonna do all that on camera. And I'm gonna give him some tips on how to do exactly certain things, you know, yeah, like I do, or like he does, or whatever that may be. Yeah, all right guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and get that started, and we'll be right back. Yeah, but before we even go ahead and let him wash his hair, show the people your hair right now and what it looks like. The only thing he really knows how to do, to be honest, is do a ponytail. This is all him. Waking up in the morning, putting in a ponytail, unless mom did it. Did mom do your hair? Mm-hmm. No, okay, he did his own. All right, so yeah, this is what his hair looks like currently right now. Go into the camera, show the people. Not too close, your forehead is a little bit big. There we go. His little blonde tips that he got dyed, and yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and transform that into something better. Yeah. All right guys, so we're back. He officially washed his hair. Right now we did the Melting Moisture, we washed his hair. Right now he still has a little bit of the conditioner still in his hair because he has thick hair and it dries out super quick. So yeah, go ahead bro, take it over.
Hold on a second.
Bro's gonna take it over right now. He's gonna go ahead and section his hair off, and yeah.
Can you do this?
I got you, bro.
Oh my gosh, stupid. So split my hair down the middle. Put this side in a bun. Splitting this in half and putting this in a bun. Putting right like the front part. So the two products I'm gonna be using is Diva Curl's styling gel. And the second product I'm gonna be using is Suave Define Gel. But I'm gonna be using this one first. So the brush I'm going to be using is the Tango Teaser brush. So gross. Oh, that smells good.
Put it all the way to the top, basically, yeah.
I'm just gonna brush it through right now, so it can just like blend in the most. I guess. I don't know. You just stick to the ponytail. So now I'm just gonna be putting the Suave Define Gel. I don't know.
It's probably locked right now.
I mean, how does the product lock?
Boom.
Okay. So wet. It's so wet. Oh my god.
Alright, so I told him, I was like, yo, you have thick hair, so you have to make sure your hair is drenched when doing this. Oh, the whole ponytail.
I'm gonna continue this process for all four parts, and I'll be back. You guys know?
Mm-hmm. Alright, put the what's it called right now?
Hold on.
Alright, cool, it's cool, it's cool.
Okay. Putting in this. Yes, sir.
Alright guys, so his hair is completely combed out. It's completely filled with all the product stylers that he's going to be using, and now he's going to go ahead and use the diffuser for the very first time. I'm going to let him do it on his own. Hopefully he does it alright. If not, I'll step in and help. We're going to quickly diffuse his hair and then we'll be right back. Yeah. Alright guys, so that wraps it up. He's officially done. His hair is about, like, I would say, is your hair completely dry or what? Almost, like 80%?
Like
90%?
Yeah, like 95.
This is the finished results. Show the people your finished results. Get close, up and personal. Yo, he has some thick hair, dog. He has some thick hair. Oh, it's lit though. What'd you think?
Long process.
It's a long process. That's what happens when you try to get sponsored. This video is now complete though. Please give this video a like. Please leave a comment if you like his hair. Also, he has a YouTube channel himself. I'm gonna link it in the description below. He also has his own YouTube. I mean, not YouTube, Instagram channel. I'm gonna link it in the description below. Also,
just hit 200 followers.
Just hit 200 followers on Instagram. Sheesh. Anyways, you know what to do. Follow me on all my social media. That is Gio Filipino here at Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Also in the description below. Hit that bell button to get notified anytime I do post. Please subscribe if you like the content. Stay wavy. Yeah, and I'll see y'all next time. Yeah.